Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you so much for coming tonight, coming to Royal Fine Dining, a great restaurant, and also thank you for celebrating Chinese New Year with us and with Master Paul Ng. So I'm your host. I'm Maggie Ng, and I just want to wish you guys Happy New Year, 恭喜发财。
大家好，谢谢 Maggie 哈，非常荣幸能够为大家担任今天晚上的主持人，我是 Mina。朋友们，你们好吗 ？Okay, so this side is quiet. Can everybody hear me? So make some noise, please. Woo! 好，在这里呢，我们首先要代表吴子明先生给大家拜个晚年，祝大家鼠年大吉，在新的一年里事业数一数二，幸福数不胜数，身体健康，万事如意。好，接下来呢，我们就要请上我们的 VIP 了，邀请我们的嘉宾上台。
So the first person we should ask is Master Paul Ng. Why don't you come up?
Oh yes， 掌声有请吴子明先生。
I want to thank all my friends, all the guests and of honor, and I'm really humbled, really humbled. Thank you for showing up. Your presence is my greatest honor. And I specifically want to thank one unusual gentleman, Mr. Stephen. Okay. All right. Stephen was going to take the plane to fly over here this morning from New York, but the plane was delayed. So instead, he drove 9.5 hours all the way to come here. That alone is something. Stephen, thank you for coming. I'll let you talk about yourself later on. And I want everybody to relax, have a good time, and enjoy yourselves. Say whatever you want to say, just behave properly. And if you like wine, have some wine. It's on my tab. Don't worry about it. All right? So come back and talk about other things later, all right? So thank you.
好，谢谢吴子明先生啊。好，吴先生要站在台上，因为我们接下来呢要请上所有的 VIP， 所有听到名字的 VIP 呢，请您上台来。首先邀请罗宾留学移民事务所 Robinson Immigration 罗总裁罗宾先生上台，掌声有请。好 ，We'll invite everybody together.
So the next person we'd like to invite is Alexander Yuan, A&L Computer Software Limited.
掌声有请。好，接下来呢，邀请第3位是金海岸集团 GTC Inc. 全球移民留学投资 Emily 丁金雷，是先生还是女士？有请。Emily, where are you? Please come up on 哦，美丽的女士，掌声送给她。
And the next person we'd like to invite up is Tony Luke, Canada-China Association for the Promotion of International Trade.
好，掌声有请陆炳雄先生。接下来有请的是谭义明。这个谭先生的这个头衔非常多，世界高尔夫球心理学会主席，加拿大高尔夫球教练联邦协会主席，全都是特高级的高尔夫。好，那我们就有请谭一鸣先生
上台。And next up we have Riza Moridi, President RM Strategy and Innovation. Do we have VIP guest Stephen Rockefeller?
Mr. Rockefeller, the top family in the United States. 掌声送给他。
let's welcome Donna Guo of Nexus Holidays. Not here. And Ian Barnett.
好，掌声有请。Yeah, good. Okay, please, thank you.
Could we invite Margaret Wang?
好，这位美丽的女士，有请。好，请站在这边。
We'd also love to invite the Hula Queen, Ling Jing.
好，在吗？大家掌声送给这位美丽的姑娘。
Also, we'll invite Leanne of Jazz Be Nimble.
好，现在我们所有的嘉宾呢会轮流为大家送上新年的祝福。Now all the VIP will do the greeting.
Wish everybody a very successful, extremely healthy New Year, and may all your wishes come true.
I'm using magic right now. This will make this microphone better. Everybody agree with it? Good.
I wish all the best for everyone, for the healthy, for the wealthy, for everything, and you and your families. Thank you so much.
Well, one thing I learned in Canada, I immigrated to Canada for 40-some years. When I was little in Hong Kong, we celebrate Chinese New Year for 7 days. In Canada, we celebrate Chinese New Year forever. Happy New Year, healthy, prosperity, and wishing everyone to be enjoying every day. Every day is your New Year, every day is your birthday, every day is your special, special day.
Happy New Year and all the best to you guys and 恭喜發財. This is very important.
I wish everyone Happy New Year and everyone just keep dancing.
Hello, Happy New Year, everyone. Wish you all the best. No more mask. Spend and eat more. Thank you.
Happy New Year, a year of the Golden Rat, and 新年快乐.
Hi everyone, Happy Chinese New Year, 恭喜發財, 恭喜發財. I learned from Master Ng, we live one life and we have to live healthily. So once we have a healthy life, we will have a wealthy life. Thank you.
I wish everyone a year of abundance with peace, happiness, wealth, and everything you wish for this year. Thank you.
I hope everybody earn much more in 2020, including money, dollars, happiness, the purpose of life, and also more friends and more time to get relaxed. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, we are taking a group photo. Okay, thanks, Master.